Hi guys, welcome to today's Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video, we're going to take a look at pound yen. We're in this position from the other day. Basically looked at the daily time frame, saw this bullish pin candle off this previous structure high, in line with our bias on the heat map, looking for an extension to the upside. So I'm looking for potential adding positions on this, and there was a couple of different ways you could have done that today, which I'll go through, and what I'll be looking at potentially going into tomorrow. So what I typically look for is a bit of a breakdown in process. So I always look at the why I'm in a market in the first place. So the why for me is the strength and weakness table. That to me always gives me a area where I want to be focusing on the markets, because a lot of my strategies, or one of my strategies, is trend based. I want to be looking for trend in markets, and strength and weakness can help me identify that. The next step is I want to be looking for those nice 4-hour trends. I want to be trading the 4-hour trend to the upside. Obviously looking at this, you can see here the market is now trending higher. We've got this nice little higher high being formed in here after breaking that high there. The next step is to look for the 4-hour to come back into an area of support and resistance, and then look to buy the market, whether we get a price action or a change in cycle on a 15-minute time frame. So what I'm looking for here in particular, or what we saw today, was the market came and retested this area of structure. If I actually go to a 15-minute time frame, the price gave us a really nice opportunity to get involved. We're trending back down at this point, which is great, which is what we want to see. And then the market rallies and takes out the previous structure high, which is there, with this bullish candlestick there. So it's pretty much the same entry as we got on the end of day a couple of days ago. So you could have entered here, but with a stop loss there, you'd be just about 1-to-1 at the minute, or just over 1-to-1 at the moment, looking for that market to chase to the upside. So I'm looking for the exact same thing again. If the daily closes as another bullish day, I'll go into that 4-hour and say to myself, where is the trend? How can I trade this opportunity? So I'll always look at those sort of previous structure highs. So if I just drag this box to here next, this is the area I'll be looking for another long position. So if the market continues up for the rest of the day, maybe overnight we see the market come back down and test this area, then I'll drop down into that 15-minute, look for those changes in cycle patterns to get long. So I like the idea of adding into pound yen if we can get a pullback into sort of this 136 level, in order to kind of take another position in this. But pound yen's looking good at the moment. We do have a nice uptrend here on the daily time frame. Is that going to continue up into these weekly highs? That's what I'm expecting to see happen. So hopefully we can break to the upside here as well, maybe pull back and continue up through there. So pound yen looking good. Like this market for further upside, just waiting to see how that daily closes, waiting for a 4-hour retest of structure before looking for an add-in position. Hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you soon.